Meet Ophelius Labs, whose goal is to eliminate the outsourcing of manufacturing costs by providing startups a manufacturing alternative in their respective countries. The lab is the first shared prototype factory which offers startups incubation and state-of-the-art manufacturing technology, enrolling artificial intelligence, robotics and distributed ledger technologies in order to create a far more efficient production chain. Reducing recalls from an industry average of 20% down to 1%. The partnership with the startups does not limit to manufacturing. Clients will have the ability to outsource their administration, logistics and marketing all to Ophelius. The factory will serve as demonstration of the technology's abilities, and the startup can manufacture their products in the lab. Once successful, it can be replicated at a larger scale. Imagine John having an idea he wants to see to fruition. Let's say John wants to start his business, building a prototype keychain. John hasn't thought of Ophelius Labs before. Now he can manufacture the exact number of parts he needs to turn a profit without ordering an amount that puts him in debt. Now John can start his endeavour without needing to go deep in debt. Ophelius Labs can help any startup take off at the most important step of its journey, the beginning. Ophelius Labs can do for your startup what he did for John's, and plans to partner with design schools to send their graduates. Graduates will be incubated and replica mini factories act as nodes. Nodes and their corresponding teams will be connected through a marketplace. Ophelius Labs, startups of tomorrow, today.